Alright guys, welcome back to the barn. I'm Chris and we've got I think 7 sales on eBay. We also got a sale of a World War II item that my son sold over on Facebook. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we got is a Harley-Davidson replacement helmet shield, full face, clear. This one is going out the door for $32.39. This is the last one of these. We had 3 of them and they all sold. So Harley-Davidson shields, keep a lookout for them, especially when they're new. They will sell. So the next item is a camera. This is a Canon SureShot 80 Tele Data SAE 35mm point and shoot camera. This is going out the door for $52.41. It's only been listed for a day. It took like 12 hours for this thing to sell. So good sell through rate on Canon SureShot cameras. Next item is an international sale. We all love international sales. If I could sell everything I had international, I would not complain. I would absolutely love it. International is so easy, especially when you use EIS, eBay International Shipping Program. All you do is just ship it to a local hub here in the United States and forget about it, because eBay handles everything else, even returns and everything. Alright, so what we got here is an AC/DC adapter model CT1250, input 100 volt to 40 volt, 5 to 60 megahertz, output 42 volt to 2 amp. This is it's kind of like a laptop charger deal. It's going out the door for $12.74. Next item is a camera bag. I got this from Scott Bearded Picker off of Whatnot. I bought this in a camera, a Polaroid that came in the bag. I got it for $15 if I recall correctly off his show. The camera's still sitting in there. It's been listed. The bag sold and it's going out the door for $18. So we made money just on the bag alone without the camera. So we still got the camera to roll around. So you know, Whatnot is a good sourcing place. You can find a lot of good deals over there. The next item is, I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe this is a viewer sale. I spoke with a lady and she had, we worked out a deal on some MREs. She actually bought all of them that I had left in the store, which there wasn't but 10 of them. We worked out a deal. I sold them all to her for $35. That's out the door. Her name is Jackie, and I want to say, if you're watching this, Jackie, thank you. I appreciate your support. We greatly appreciate you. But yes, I was so shocked to actually, I think I got a viewer, because she called me by name, so I'm sure that she is a viewer of the channel. So we greatly appreciate that, Jackie. I appreciate your support and thank you so much. So those are all MREs. That's this whole big box right here. We're gonna, I'm not sure if we're gonna ship it in this box or if we're gonna put it in a different box, but there's 10 of them. There's 10 different varieties. It's not the all same varieties, but we'll get those out to her tomorrow morning. Today is Thursday. It's Juneteenth. It's holiday, so nothing's going out. Post office is closed, so they'll be going out first thing in the morning. Again, Jackie, I greatly appreciate your support. The next item are water filters, guys. You know, we've been selling these things like hotcakes. So this buyer has purchased 2 packs of 3. These are the RWF 1200A versions, replacement water filters. These are going out the door for $25.89. The next order, guess what, is another water filter. It is the RWF 1200A, just a single 3-pack. This was going out the door for $13.50. So these filters are going flying off the shelves. This size here, the 1200A, I only got 5 of them left. So, but I do have 2 other sizes left, plenty of them. So we're about out of that one. We've sold out of the other one already. That whole buyout that had the Milwaukee battery chargers, the double chargers, and had all these filters in it. And that buyout also had these computer chargers in it, laptop chargers. So we have made, man, I wish I would have recorded the numbers on it, but we spent $32 on that one buyout. You know, we have sold way past that. All the double Milwaukee chargers, they're gone. They're all gone. So, and then one size of the filters, all of those are gone. And then we got these 1200As, there's 5 of them left. And then we got the other 2 sizes. We got some of those, some of them are sale, some of them are still there, but then we got a lot of these left too. So we're just, you know, we're just gradually just rolling over time. Multi-quantity buys, I absolutely love them. All right, so yeah, Austin, he sold an item over on Facebook, one of his Facebook groups, World War II groups that he's in. This is a World War II officer's uniform hat. He sold it for, they said $130 plus shipping. He has $50 into it. So in case you guys don't know, my son, he collects World War II memorabilia. And then when he gets tired of collecting it, he sells it. He'll sell it on eBay or these marketplace groups or Discord groups or stuff like that. But that's what he likes to do. His room looks like a World War II museum. I kid you not. It's just crazy to me. But hey, that's all that we've got going out tomorrow. It's not going out today. We are going to go ahead and pack everything up and have it ready for tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have some more sales for a video tomorrow. I do know that a couple of things that I've showed you, like the Harley-Davidson and the camera, those sold today already. We're getting a late start. We had a lot of things we had to do this morning. So we did have 2 items that sold today. So I don't know if we get any more sales today. We'll have another video tomorrow. I'm trying to do one every day of the week. I'm trying. I don't know if I'll be able to do one on Sunday. Possibly not even Saturday, but at least Monday through Friday I'll try and have a video out. But hey, thanks for watching, guys. Tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Picking and Grinnin right here at the barn. Tonight I will not be on the show. It will just be Brad and Teresa and Leroy. I have a prior engagement with the church tonight, so I'll be over there at the church doing some things. So, but y'all come by and visit them anyway. Have a great time with them. They always have a good time. And I won't be there for them to pick on tonight, so I don't know how good the show is going to be. And you won't get to hear my word of the day. But hey, you'll get to see Leroy's meal of the night, right? So hey guys, have a great one, and we'll see you on the next one.